Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Black & Decker cordless flex car vacuum, and it is #1 brand in hand vacuums. It comes with the accessories for the attachment right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one clean hard to reach areas. In case you guys didn't see my unboxing video for the other Black & Decker lithium ion strong suction vacuum, you could check them out. So that was the first one that I bought from Costco. Original price is $59.99. When I purchased, it was on sale for $49.99. Same go with this one. This one is on sale right now for $49.99 with a $10 instant coupon from Costco. And this is Pro Performance. So I had one of this previously, but it was on the NiCad battery. And those NiCad battery does not last long, and the battery gets ruined right away. So let's go ahead and open this up, or show you guys a 360 of the view of the box. So it comes with the attachment. So I like the flexible hose. Okay, it gives you more extension compared to the first one that I bought. There's no extension hose, so it's kind of hard to get into like a crevices area or allow you to perform. And then it's come with this attachment too. And this one comes with the curvature attachment. And here's another attachment right here. It says warning: to reduce the risk of injury, user must read instruction manual before operating a product. Then here is the model number right here. Then here's a warning label for lithium ion battery. So it says a high performance motor with the cyclonic action power, strong long lasting suction, and a compact design for convenient storage. And clean canister is easy to empty. And it comes with a washable canister bowl and a filter for thorough cleaning. Come with this 4 feet flexible hose for cleaning hard to reach area. And then here the attachment. It's a flexible crevices tool, pet hair tool, and then a flip up brush. Got the Bristol brush. There's your washable filter plus a pre-filter, and then a base charger for storage caddies. And this is made in China. So you could also use a flip up to vacuum your dashboard. And then I like this one. It comes with the pet hair tool. The first one that I own, the NiCad battery, it has a pet hair tool too. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Check out the bottom real quick. in case you can want to see what's on the bottom. And this come with a 2-year warranty. And here's a specification. I'm going to open from the top right here so you guys can see. Wow, this is very flexible. It flexes, I guess, 360. Well, not three. Well, I guess so. So this one has like a rubber guard, which is good because when you use this plastic on plastic or your upholstery, it might poke it or damage it because of the plastic. So they have this extra rubberized protection. Oh, and I like the attachment, how they clamp it on my old one, on the nightcap one. So I guess this is for you to put it. I'm not sure that I gotta check on which attachments this is for. So this is the bag for you to put all the attachment in there. So this one has a Bristol brush. So I guess this is a mounting kit for your caddy. And this one you can fold and unfold. Got this nice long brush. And then allow you to rotate 360 degree with the clamp. So is this one right here. And then here's your charging plug with the base. And you can put your cable through this gap right here, or the opposite side. Make sure you loop around it. And they're like for the rubber feet, which is a pretty good design. So you'll be non-slip. Also, you just mount it over here. I'm not sure if it comes with a screw or just mount it like that. Well, it fit in there pretty tight. So it says voltage output is 15 volt, 150 milliamp. Come with this instruction booklet. And then wireless certification and safety information. And this one is for the pet hair. So if you got cat, dogs, or any other hamster or other kind of animal, this will pick up the hair because of this rubber. And here's a filter. This is washable. And then you come with this metal pull tab for you to pull out the air filter. Cool. And then check out this unit. So here's the attachment right here, or release. All you need to do is just pull this back. And then there's your flexible hose. I like this design because this one allows you to clip in your attachment. Okay? And it does not fall off accidentally. And also with this one, it allows you to rotate. Okay, that's 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. I think I can use my old attachment with this. So with the pet hair, it only one direction. And with this Bristol brush, allow you to rotate 360. And this one, the flexible attachment, it's only allow you to have one adjustment or position. So to open your canister, you just need to flap this one out, and you can remove this. I mean, you could just dump it out, okay? My old one you can remove from here, but this is a new design. You gotta remove this plastic for the power switch. So test out real quick. It's gonna be loud though. And then there's a button right here for you to push it down, and then you're gonna rotate to the back to remove it. Let me show you again. You push it, rotate back, and then you remove it. Okay. Wow. So this one comes with the 2 filter, washable filter. That's nice. So I don't have to go out there and buy extra filter in case it's dirty, or I have a quick swap. And right here you can wash it, but be sure you don't wash it with your motor on there, okay? And here's your switch. So this stick it out, it trigger right here to turn it on and off. So let's give you guys a close-up look. Here's the motor. And then there's your contact for your base to charge it. And this is where your hose go through. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.